5 equal 52, 6 equals 63, 7 equal 94, then 8 equal what? So can you find the number that fills this logical sequence? Comment your comment what number you found and watch my solution in this video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I ask you to subscribe it and hit the notification bell because here on the channel we daily uploaded free videos that train your mind in logical reasoning as well as basic to advanced math. So now take a good look to the resolution. 5 equal 52. How? We know that the square of 5 is 25. Now if I'll reverse the digit, instead of 25, if I'll write 5 2. So yes. So let's check if this is applicable to the next step or not. 6 square is 36 and reverse is 63. Great. 7 square is 49 and the reverse is 94. So what is 8? 8 square, that is 64 and reverse is 46. So what replace the question mark? 46. Comment down below if you already cracked the logic of this logical sequence. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.